How to fix the Snapchat camera not working. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve this very problem of yours. So to know how you can do it, watch this video till the very end. First of all, go to the Google Play Store, make sure you have installed and update the latest version of Snapchat so that you won't miss out any new feature, and this might also be the problem for not working your camera. So before seeing if your Snapchat camera is working or not, go to your camera section and see if your camera is actually working properly or not. So if it is working properly, then you can go to your Snapchat section, have a long press right there, tap on the very eye icon, go to the storage section, tap on the very clear data and clearcast option. You can force stop it, go to the Google Play Store and again reinstall your Snapchat. Now when you do it, your problem should be solved and your camera should be work now. If this does not help, then you can simply report the problem and Snapchat will give you feedback with the solutions. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.